to day 8 of our 30 days pattern drafting. In today's video, we shall be learning how to make a tent dress. That is the dress on your screen at the moment. So this is our basic dress block. We have the side bust starts and our waist starts. Now, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and control our shoulder. Remember from our control guideline, we said we're going to measure the shoulder like so, divide it into 2 and mark like this. At this point, you then mark a 1/4 of an inch like this. Next thing you do is you use your ruler and connect it. Next thing we're going to do is we are now going to reshape our armhole. Now from this point where we have marked the 1/4 of an inch, that is where we controlled the shoulder, we're going to use a curve like this and reshape our armhole. So we're going to cut this part off. We have gone ahead and created a new armhole and also established our new shoulder. The next thing we're going to do is to close this dart and spread our pattern. To do that, we're going to draw a straight line and then slash the line like this. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. See? Now, the aim of this dart here is to help you with your spread. So we go on and slash this line like so to the bust point, but don't cut it off. You're going to lap it like so to close this dart. Next, you're going to place a piece of paper under your pattern like this and spread properly. We're going to measure, say, 10 inches at the waist area like this. You measure 10 inches, then you hold it down with your tape like this. At this point here, you're going to draw a straight line from your armhole, the end of your armhole like this. You would draw a straight line, and then using a curve, you connect it to the hem of your dress like the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to cut it off and our pattern is ready. And this is what our final pattern looks like. See you in the next video. Bye.